How to browse privately on LinkedIn. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can browse privately on LinkedIn. So let's get started. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can activate LinkedIn's private mode on your phone or computer, allowing you to view other profiles without revealing your identity. So if you wanted to view someone's LinkedIn profile without alerting them, whether you're analyzing competitors, researching companies, or just exploring out of curiosity, LinkedIn's private browsing mode allows you to look around discreetly. So first of all, you get to open your LinkedIn account and you'll be redirected to home. So you got to click on your profile at the top left, and here you got to click on settings at the bottom. Once you're in your settings, you have to click on visibility. So simply click on visibility and you'll be able to see a couple of options. So you're going to click on profile viewing options at the top. And here you'll be able to see three choices. Your name and headline. This shows your full identity when viewing others. Generate profile details. For example, someone in the industry. And the third one is private mode. This hides your identity entirely. To browse anonymously, you got to select private mode. So there are times when you want to explore LinkedIn without announcing your visit. Maybe you're scouting out your competition, preparing for an interview, reviewing candidates or potential partners. Private mode lets you research silently without leaving a digital footprint. Just keep in mind, while private mode is active, you won't be able to see who has viewed your profile either. So that's it for today's video. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.